Robert from Temple, Texas, has questions about building practices.
Well, he just bought a new house up in Temple, and he's a loyal listener. We appreciate it, Robert. After listening to your advice since 1986, he writes, I understood standard construction practice calls for the use of J-bolts when attaching framework to the framework to the slab. I looked at a home under construction, and they're nailing the walls to the slab. Tom, Robert wants to know, how common is this practice, and what can you do about it?
Actually, it's more common than you think if they can get away with it, which is not a good idea. They actually did a research study. I want to say it was Texas Tech that did it. And over time, just the vibration of a home that moves a little bit, everything moves. People think everything doesn't move, but it does. The nails loosen up. And now today, with the new pressure-treated lumber, which is a copper-based chemical that's in it, it eats the nails away, so you have that issue too. Eventually, those nails will no longer be there when you remodel in 25 years and start pulling walls out going,
so, wait a minute.
Golly.
So the only thing holding my house to the slab is gravity?
Sometimes, yeah.
Wow.
So don't push on it.
I think I'd have to push pretty hard.
Yeah, you would. So the bottom line is this: the J-bolts have been used forever, and that's always been the best practice, at least on the exterior walls, to hold everything in place on the slab. That doesn't mean one day you're going to wake up and half your house is laying in the backyard. It doesn't work that way.
Unless you hear like a locomotive sound in the air and something swirling, and
then head for the dungeon.
Yeah, your safe room.
Yeah, so don't worry about that.
Room. That's right.
Yes. But anyway, it's not a good practice at all, but it is done. And unless you have strict code enforcement, and that's not a lot of that in Texas, they're going to do what they want to do.
And he's up in Temple, Texas, and that tornadic risk is somewhat higher than here.
It's funny. We have rules and regulations for wind loads in hurricane-prone areas.
Right.
But in tornado areas, they have none.
Shut up.
No. Shut my mouth.
Well,
Slap my mama.
I'll be dipped in dew and rolled in coconut.
They really
idea.
don't. No.
Okay. Good night. Well,
that's why every home I ever built, I don't care where it was, we wind strapped it.
Good for you.
Even my own home in Champions, after I burned down the first one and built the second one, it's all wind strapped.
You got a question?
Yes.
Blow it our way. We'll handle it here. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like these videos over here. And you want to know when we post a new one? Just subscribe to our channel.